Hi, my name is Hsiao-Ching and this is my daughter.
My name is Meilee Riddle.
And we're the authors of Feasts of Good Fortune. And today we are at Town and Country in Shoreline to do a little shopping because we're going to cook from this book today. I see Gailan over here.
How do you know which one is good?
Well, so you want to look at the leaves and make sure that they look really fresh and plump and all that. And then I actually, like sometimes the stems are really big. I like to get stems that are skinny because then they're more tender. Yeah, all right, grab the bag. I love cooking with Meilee or her brother. Is just a way for us to connect, but it's also a way just to pass on the skill, but also the stories and the history around some of the traditions that we have. So I really love that. Soy sauce, sesame oil.
They've got Chinese sausage here.
The kind we like. Oh yes.
That's crazy.
It's not crazy. That's why it's so good. I love it here. I so appreciate how they're able to integrate all these different cultural foods into your regular grocery stores. Oh, hoisin sauce, yes. This one.
It's on sale.
Ooh, sale. Sale is good. Sale. You can go to one market and cover the world in a meaningful way. It's fantastic to me. We should just try it, Okay, that's good on shoyu.
Growing up, learning how to have a good relationship with food on my own, and then how I can carry that on to my now adult life. That's been scary, but it's really fun to have that independence. And my mom gave me all the tools that I need to do that successfully. So I'm very grateful for that.
Lettuce means good fortune. Did you know that?
I did not.
No.
I actually did not
Did
know
you know
that.
that you could stir fry lettuce? I proposed, she tells it better, but I proposed this project. We were driving and I said, hey, would you want to write my next book together? And I think it should be about Chinese holidays or Chinese American holidays and how we celebrate them and just kind of share with this next generation. Someday, I mean, it's starting, she's sharing that out with other people, with her peers, her friends. Lunar New Year, we talk about the feast as 团圆, which means like gathering around the table. And wherever you are in the world, you come home for this 团圆, this feast. I just love having you home and you pop in for visits now that you don't live here. I miss you. Food is not just about community, but it's also about love.